What's going on, people? Welcome to this quick peek unbox. It's Mike's Universe and I'm Mike Versal, and today I'm sharing with you this surprise sneaker I picked up. Make sure you subscribe, hit a like, and hit the notifications, all right? Let's get into it. So you probably already know what this is based on the title of this video, but these are, you guessed it, they are the Nike Lebron Witness 5, and they come in white. Get this away. Put this away and put this aside. So there you have it. So these here are the Witness 5 by LeBron James. The color is obviously a white finish. It's got this yellowish green fluorescent look at the bottom, which I like. It's quite unique, quite different. These you can pick up anywhere. I think on the Nike store you can pick it up from there, of course. You can pick it up from any sneaker outlet that does pretty cool sneaks, but you can get it for about £90, which is 125 US dollars. And the look is pretty cool because you can wear these with anything. You can wear these with trainers, with jeans, with shorts, pretty much anything. Obviously because of the white look and the way it looks quite subtle. It doesn't look in your face, But I'm a big fan of LeBron James. I know a lot of you are as well. Recently watched that Space Jam movie. It'd be interesting to see if I can get those for perhaps another video sometime. But they're quite hard to get. But I got these as a surprise the other day, and I thought I wanted to share with you guys, see what you guys thought about it, for you sneakerheads and for you guys who like new and rare items. So from the looks of it, looks pretty comfy. It's got this sturdy finish in the bottom. I like this part here. When you put on your shoes or the sneakers, you can sort of like pull these to sort of like make it extend, to make it go in nicely. And yeah, they're from the LeBron James's camp. As you know, LeBron James has a few of the items that they produce for him, and these are size 9.5. And for those of you who have these already, or who've seen someone who has it or are planning to get these, let us know what you think, what your thoughts are from it being comfortable, from what you don't like, what you like about them, so we can actually let the world know. But I like these. I'm a big fan of these. I can't wait to try these on. When I saw it, I was like, I'm getting those 100%. But yeah, there you have it. The Nike LeBron Witness 5 right here. It's Mike's Universe, people. Don't forget, hit a like, subscribe, and let everyone know it's Mike. And I'm going to be back with another video next time around. Take it easy, guys. Peace out.